Hi everyone and welcome to this new video, and today's video is a bit special because I have to admit I was finally influenced. I was influenced by social media because everywhere, if you are looking at Longchamp information and yes, Longchamp content, you'll see a bunch of reviews concerning it and so on. And I have to admit that also in real life, in the street, I saw a bunch of people following this trend. Here is my video concerning it, and I will explain you everything because my version is a little bit different, but I will tell you everything. Let's go. Yes, my friend, the trend which is worldwide and I am referring to is the fact that you transform your Longchamp Le Pliage cosmetic pouch into a tiny bag. I know at the very beginning of this trend, I explained you that I was not into it because, first of all, it's a pouch. So clearly, it's not seriously the dimension of a bag, let's be honest. That's the reason why I use it as a pouch. But I have to tell you, as I said to you, I saw it everywhere. And since I am a very curious person, well, I finally decided to give a try. But I gave a try in a different way because my pouch, as you can see, I have done holes on it. And most of the people who convert their tiny pouch into a bag, they have ordered the convertible kit, which is composed of a strap in leather most of the time, with two tiny systems that you can place here, and you have no modification on your pouch. And I have to tell you that this is something brilliant, very smart, because in one of my previous videos, I have realized a video concerning the fact that when you have modification on your Longchamp item, there has consequences. And the main consequences is that maybe you do not have access to the Longchamp repair service. And that's something you have to be fully aware. The video I have realized was concerning one of my Longchamp Pliage S bag, and as you can see, I have made modification on it because I wanted to put some dangling back charms, and because this bag I already have made modification, I put this My Little Pony, yes, I don't know, patchwork, I think it's the right word, and yes, this one is my go-to with kind of funny things on it. And concerning the cosmetic pouch, I was tempted by this convertible kit, but I look at my collection and I have realized something. I have realized that I already have the strap for it. Yes, my friend. I got this panier, Longchamp panier, and this one comes with a strap. Yes. And this strap is the perfect length. It's real Longchamp Russian leather, and on the top of that, it has Longchamp golden hook. And it has the same golden hardware like my Longchamp pouch. And I went to the idea that I could have the possibility to make a full Longchamp tiny bag. I just needed to make two holes here. However, my friends, I have to tell you that in my area, because I could not, if something bad happened, I don't feel myself going to Longchamp and tell them, hey, I have made holes, could you repair it? No, I think it's not correct, to be honest. But I have in my area someone working on the leather and who knows a bit about bag also. And I know that if something bad happens, I could have a repair. So, you know, I was making a modification, but I know for me it was not too crazy. The consequences were not crazy. I also know, and this is something important, I also know that this pouch, I will keep it. I don't want to sell it one day. I got all the green lights in front of me to go and make a modification. So I choose, like my bag, because I like it, I've got several, I choose little gold art. I think you see. I got the system to make the hole. And in fact, it's the same system, you know, for the belt, if you want to add a hole. And I tried it. And I think I did pretty well, seriously. And look how it is. It's really gorgeous. And when you keep the pouch like this, it's okay. You don't see something crazy. So I am really happy. And as I told you, I can place this Longchamp strap. Et voilà! So here is the result. So I've got my Longchamp strap, of course with the hole I have made, but I've got a full Longchamp system. Let me show it to you. So you see, oh sorry for the mic, I hope everything is okay. So you see, oops, like this. Yes, I know, my friend, I changed a little bit my mind, but I will explain you. I know that in fact I will use this combination and pick my kids to school. And it's really easy, and I think I will use it like this. Maybe I will do 1 or 2 restaurants, but I prefer to use my bags. The only one I told you that I go to the restaurant because the design is just great is this one. Yes, I love this one. Oh, this one, I will never do any modification because first, it's a limited edition, so I respect it. And no, I think it's just perfect like this. So my friend, you know everything. Yes, I'm weak, but I am also super curious. I did it. Let me show you what it can fit, because I don't remember if finally I will call the video what's in my bag or something else. So let me show it to you. While inside I've got, oh, yes, I'm a woman, so I've got some feminine product. I got, yes, I always show it to you, but in fact it's the third one. I always took this color. So this is another one, my lilac notebook. I've got a pen. I put a pink one. I got my wallet, Foulonné. I've got tissue. And the last 2 items I got, I've got hairpin, you call it like this, and I've got my Hermes lipstick, the one I'm wearing today. So, that's all. And tell me, have you got this pouch? Have you the system, the convertible kit? I got some subbies who have them and they are happy. Tell me everything. I have done the modification on the blush one. I don't know if I will do it on my marshmallow one. Let's see in the future. I will first use it like this. So thanks for seeing this video. Thanks for your support. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.